Around 3,000 forage harvesters are sold around the world each year. When it comes to maize headers, Kemper is the undisputed top dog in terms of units sold. In addition to filming the launch of the new Pro series, we were also able to shoot some unique footage for you. And if that's not enough maize harvest, we even managed to get some stunning shots of the Görries fleet. It is early September and we are just north of Leipzig in Saxony. After a lot of hard work, an unusual meeting was organised, something rarely seen in practice. To launch the new headers from the Pro series, Kemper brought the 5 best-known global brands for self-propelled forage harvesters together in one place. The message they want to convey is clear. In addition to introducing their new products to the world, with this meeting of agricultural giants, Kemper wants to demonstrate that they can offer a header that can be used with all forage harvesters. Kemper's story started all the way back in 1908. They originally started out as an agricultural machinery dealership, but eventually turned into a major agricultural machinery manufacturer. Their breakthrough came in the 1950s with their manure spreader. This clip was shot while we were filming our multi-part series J-Rive Fendt Classics and shows the Kemper Fraser manure spreader in action. In 1969, they set the course for the future development of the company with their first foray into maize harvesting technology. Their maize headers subsequently became larger, and the self-propelled forage harvesters established themselves on the market. They finally introduced their row-independent maize header in 1984. Here at Farm World TV, we have had a lot of harvesting equipment from Kemper in front of our cameras over the past 20 years. We have fond memories of our many filming trips to Görries Contractors in Wedemark to the north of Hanover. The company has been consistently using maize headers from Kemper for over 25 years now. Managing Director Dirk Görries particularly appreciates the machine's low wear and maintenance costs. Their current forage harvester fleet features 3 John Deere 9900s. This is the 3rd attempt to get all 3 harvesting giants together in one field. Usually the 970 horsepower forage harvesters are out working different jobs. Once they finish one job, they head off to the next one straight away. This is why it was quite difficult to find a time when all 3 forage harvesters were available to film. But we managed. The maize field on the edge of Mehlendorf was quickly harvested with these 3 machines and their total of 36 rows. You can find a short film series on Görries Contractors on our YouTube channel, which covers the maize harvest and several other activities. Now back to Saxony and the summit of the forage harvester scene. Usually when it comes to our new YouTube stories, we prefer to stay away from organised events like this, but when we heard all the details, we became a bit nosy. Seeing all of the latest forage harvester models and a total working width of 39 metres across 78 rows is a rare opportunity that we do not see very often. In 1997, Kemper was taken over by John Deere, but this did not mean that the headers were kept away from other manufacturers. Quite the contrary, in fact. While Fendt, New Holland and John Deere machines are equipped with Kemper implements in the factory, Claas and Krone customers can also opt for Kemper headers if they wish. According to Kemper, half of all forage harvesters are equipped with one of their headers. The conditions that forage harvesters are confronted with differ wildly around the world. Modern harvest headers can be used to harvest maize, but also crops like sorghum, sunflowers, hemp, or whole crop silage. So that they can offer their customers the best possible solutions, Kemper now has both a small and large drum series in their portfolio, with the 300 Pro and 400 Pro. The more compact 300 Pro header is ideal for smaller crops and growth, while the 400 Pro is more suitable for high-growing and heavily laid crops. The plant extraction and cross-feed systems have been reworked. According to Kemper, in addition to ensuring lower harvest losses, they have also been able to extend the service life of assemblies that are subject to heavy stress, thanks to their special heavy-duty parts. It is also worth quickly mentioning the 460 Pro, which is also available in the Stalkbuster variant, equipped with an integrated mulching unit. And with that, a fantastic day of shooting draws to a close. We broached the idea of finishing off with some shots of the machines against the backdrop of the stunning sunset. Luckily for us, all the drivers agreed. So over 3,600 horsepower of harvesting equipment rolled out again for a final drive. You can find plenty more videos and test drives of modern agricultural machinery on our YouTube channel.